nurses are pushing government to prioritise healthcare workers, and families of those who died in the line of duty are in full support. One such family says they feel let down by government after their matriarch passed away last month. Maditlhari Mosia was an ICU nurse at an East Rand hospital and had tested positive for COVID-19. eNCA reporter Masego Rahlaga spoke to her daughter.
My mother loved her job. Even if she died in a line of duty, but at least, they could have given them that support.
More than 30 years as a nurse, Maditlhari Mosia has been described as dedicated by both her family and her colleagues. She worked in the intensive care unit of the Maditlhari Regional Hospital in Vosloorus. When she celebrated her 55th birthday during lockdown in May, she and her loved ones didn't know it would be her last.
My mother was diabetic. She was type 2, and she kept on saying, if I get positive, I won't survive this.
But Makhosazana Tladi says her mother had no choice but to keep working as the country battled the pandemic. Tladi says it's for this reason that she feels government underappreciates nurses and doesn't protect them enough.
It's failing the healthcare workers. If the people who are supposed to save lives of the community, they are being put far in the corner and not being given first priorities to be protected, and you just forget about their families, because of the most sad part is getting to bury a person who died of COVID. You don't find closure. We haven't found closure. Only my sister and my dad had to go to the mortuary to see my mother to make sure we're burying a right person. What about these kids? They last saw her when she was alive. She said she's going to come back.
She says her mother's favorite spot in the lounge where she used to like watching TV is now empty. And although she will no longer hear her mother's voice, this daily ritual brings her comfort. It eases the pain, and for a few minutes, good memories fill this space until it's all gone and reality sets in again. Masego Rahlaga, Vosloorus.